The weather might be very cold tomorrow. He had finished his homework before dinner. They went to the concert last night. The students will complete their assignments by the deadline. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. She bought a new car last week. We will go to the cinema next weekend. He didn't go to the party because he was busy. She washes the dishes every evening. By next year, they will have completed the new building. We were walking in the park when it started raining. I have read the book you recommended. She was writing a letter when I called. By 2025, I will have finished my degree. He stayed at home for 2 days. I lost my keys. Can you help me find them? She goes to the gym every morning. We are going to a restaurant later. They had finished the report by the time we arrived. You should study for the exam. It's really important. She is doing the dishes now. I have seen that movie before. He reads a new book every month. They completed the project yesterday. We were going to the mall when it started raining. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, please click subscribe. I wish you all the best.